In our previous class, we studied the first chapter, Natural Numbers and Whole Numbers, Worksheet 5, 1 to 3rd main. In that you studied what is distributive property. This main also we are going to do the same property in different way. The 4th main, find the value by using distributive property. I'll recall what is distributive property. We are rearranging the order of numbers that make to easy the multiplication, and then we have combined the numbers to produce more zeros after the multiplication is called distributive property. Here first sum, 1562 into 62 plus 1562 into 38. Here the number 1562 is multiplied into 62 times first, then 38 times next. So we are grouping that. Now first what we should do, we have to add what is given within the bracket. 8 plus 2, 10. Remainder 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Now 1562 should multiply 100 times. So what will be the answer? 1562 you write, add 2 zeros. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakhs. 1 lakh, 56,200 is the answer. Here now we done very easily. Instead of multiplying first 62 times, then 38 times, then adding. Instead of that, we are adding those two and multiplied. We got the answer very easily. Now we will move to the next sum. Here 638 into 176 minus 638 into 75 minus 638. Now we are going to arrange the numbers. 638 should multiply how many times? 168 times. Again, how many times the 638 should multiply? 75 times we have to multiply, then we have to minus. So we have to minus 75 times. Again, one more time it is subtracting here the 638. Now what I return? 638 into 176 minus 75 plus 1. So 638 into 176 minus 75, 101. Minus one more time. So 176 minus 76 times we are subtracting. So what will be the answer? 638 into 100 times. Understood, children? Now we have to put the answer. 638, add 20. Your answer will be 63,800. Now we will move to the third sum. 85 into 15 plus 15 into 15. Here we are going to multiply the number 15. How many times? 85 times plus 15 times. So 15 into 85 plus 15 how much? 100 times. So what will be the answer? 15 add 20. Your answer is 1500. We are rearranging the number and combine the suitable number, make zeros and multiply it. Now here we are going to group it. 688 into 100 into 437. I'll make it, this is the first group. 688 into 100 into 437 first group. Then minus 6880 into 337. Here 688 into 10 become 6880. Then into, how many times first we have to multiply? 437 times. Again, how many times we have to subtract? 337 times. Here 6880 is the common number should multiply. So we taken out. Now 6,880 into 437 minus 337. How much? 7 minus 7 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1. So how many times we have to multiply? 100 times. So we are adding 2 zeros. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakhs. 6,88,000. Are you able to understand this? How to group it, children? One more sum, I'll do it here. First, how to group it? 125 into 8. Which are all we are getting maximum zeros. 883 plus 117 is the other group. Into 25 into 40. Now, shall we multiply? 8 5s are 40, remainder 4. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20, remainder 2. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Into, here 883 plus 117. 7 plus 3, 10. Remainder 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Remainder 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. So that also we are getting 1000. Now 25 into 40. 0 into 5, 0. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. So 1000 into 1000 into 1000. Now how to do it? Put 1 and write how many zeros are there. How many zeros are there? There are 9 zeros. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then 100 crores are there. Like this way you have to rearrange the numbers and make the multiplication easy to get the, after multiplication you have to get more zeros. Understood, children? In this, that is sum as a homework. Is sum as a homework. Please do it. Copy down all these 5 sums in your CW. Now we are going to solve the 5th problem. This is word problem. Rohan buys 12 computers and 12 printers. How many computers and how many printers? 12 computers and 12 printers. If the cost of one computer and one printer is rupees 56,233 and rupees 7,867 respectively. Find the total cost incurred by Rohan. Now use distributive property of multiplication. Now we are going to solve the basis of distributive property of multiplication. Number of computers. How many? Equal to 12. Number of printers also 12. Here. Cost of one computer. Cost of one computer is how much? 56,233. Then cost of one printer is equal to how much? Rupees 7,867. They asked to find the total cost. Therefore, cost of 12 computers and printers is equal to what we have to do? The number of computer and printer is same. So we take multiplication the 12. Now 12 numbers are same, no? So we are going to add the cost of computer, one computer cost and one printer cost. So 56,233 plus 7,867. That is 12 into, add it, 7 plus 3, 10, remainder 1. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, again 10, remainder 1. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, remainder 1. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, remainder 1. 1 plus 5, 6. So, totally 12 computers and 12 printers. Total cost of one computer and one printer is equal to rupees 64,200. If we multiply with 12, we will get the total cost. So, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12. Now, ones place over, we are going to multiply it by tens. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 1 is 1, 1 4 is 4, 1 6 is 6. Now add it, 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. Now ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakhs. So how much is the total cost of 12 computers and 12 printers? Is equal to rupees 7,69,200. Understood, children? Copy down this. Now we are going to solve the sixth sum. In a school, the monthly fee of a child is rupees 497. If there are 2,983 students in a school, find the total fee collected in a month. They are given use distributive property of multiplication. Now we are going to solve the answer. Monthly fee of a child. How much each child monthly fees? 497 rupees. How many children are in the school? Oh, number of children in a school. How many? 2,983 students are there. Now we have to find the total fee collected, but we have to use distributive property. Therefore, total fee collected in a month. Now, number of students 2,983. Here, amount is 497 rupees. We have to make it the nearest round of value. That is 500. We will take it. 500. How much? If we minus 497, how many numbers will get? 500 minus 497 is equal to 3. We are distributing. 497 is equal to 500 minus 3. Now we are going to multiply this number. 2,983 into 500 minus 2,983 into 3. This is the way to distribute the numbers. Now we will multiply 0, 0. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. Remainder 4. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. Remainder 4. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, lakhs. Now, minus. We are going to minus 3 times 2,983. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. Remainder 2. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Remainder 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now we have to subtract this number and do the subtraction for your understanding here. 91,500 minus 8,949. Here 0 zeros are there. We can't subtract. So we are borrowing from here. From here it will become 10. It will become 9. It will become 4. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. Can we subtract 9 from 4? No. Possible. So we are borrowing 1. 14 minus 9, 5. Here 0. Again from here we are borrowing 1. It will become 10. Here 9 become 8. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 0, 8, 4, 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how much fees they collected? 14 lakhs, 82,551 rupees. Instead of multiplying 2983 into 497, we are using the distributive property. We are implementing 500 minus 3. Then we are getting the answer. For your multiplication, it will be easy and you will get the answer also easy. So please solve all these problems in your CW. Only one sum I gave today as a homework. That also you complete and try to understand, listen the videos, try to understand children.